Damron presents Rent It, Drive It, Own It, or Return It.
Introducing the 2003 Ford Expedition. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help keep you safe on the road, and memory settings put you back in the right place every time. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Now you can purchase a vehicle without a long-term commitment. Damron Rent-to-Own Auto is the only dealer in Lubbock that can make that promise. Rent it, drive it, own it, or return it.